Uh, I'm here to announce the name of the associates who have extended their breaks in the last quarter. You got it. I was kidding. So we are talking about the colorful days. I mean, I could only take my name then. Not getting into that, especially in front of the senior leadership team. So, we're talking about colorful days. So I was just wondering, our school days were really, really colorful and vibrant. Don't we agree, guys? Our school days were colorful? Yes. Now, especially for the married people. Unmarried people, they can still enjoy in a lot of colors. Life OK, Z, Sony, and so on and so forth. So school days, and out of all those days in school, there is only one day which we used to enjoy thoroughly throughout the day. That was our annual day. So since all of us had already been to school, I'm sorry, said something. Okay, Prakash is still going to school. Oh. I mean, during the day he works for the bank, and during the night he works on himself. Night schooling. I get that. So since most of us has already been to school. I was just wondering, if we could call our process a school, the place where we work, what could we name it? What about this one? I'll give you guys a hint. The International School of Biscuits? I really upside down. So, I was just wondering, so let's all assume that this is the school and you guys all are my classmates, my teachers, my faculty members, principal, vice principal, so on and so forth. So, I have an award ceremony for you. You remember during annual day we used to get awarded, rewarded, bombarded, judged, dropped, and those days are pretty much dead now. So I was just thinking we'll have this quick award ceremony in which I'll name the category and I'll give you a heads up on the person I'm talking about, and then he or she walks onto the stage and receives the award. Does it sound good, guys? Are we game for this? Yes. Cool, I thought so. That's the reason I prepared this. So let's begin, guys. And they had a tough competition, let me tell you. They are most coveted and most desired awards. The first category for this evening, guys, it's called the Terrible Tummy Award. The person I'm talking about, he's a foodie. First, he's a foodie. Whenever during the day, and there are many actually. I'm talking about one though. I only have one prize. I'm sorry. Not prepared. So this person I'm talking about, anytime during the day you walk up to him, you will see him chewing something or the other. At times it's eatable also. So I'll give you a heads up, guys. The other day this guy was traveling in an auto and he recently bought a smartphone, so he was, as always, he was hungry, so he was placing an order for a pizza to McDonald's. So he was placing an order for a Gazala pizza. What's there to laugh about? I swear I'm not faking it. See, in Hyderabad exclusively, something you have like a small, medium, large pizza. For Hyderabad exclusively, something which is way, way beyond the large pizza is called Gazala pizza. Even KFC has Gazala chicken bucket. So he was actually placing order for the Gazala pizza and he was on the verge of completing the order. So towards the end, the McDonald guy asked him, "Sir, can I go ahead and place your order?" Even before Kuhan could this is what happens with lack of practice, guys. Do process on some dummy cases before you hit the actual one. So even before he could say yes, a thief came, snatched his phone and ran away. And look out his desperation, he shouted, "Dude, you want to keep the phone, it's fine, but please place the order for Christ's sake." So it's none other than, guys, as I've already spilled the beans, Puhan Bhagwan, can we have you on the stage? Is he not there? So I would request Oliver Samson to please walk up to the stage and receive the award. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So he is getting, if you can please show it to the crowd. So as you could see, he is getting a Marquee Rasoi coupon. They are the parent company of our very own Hari Tiffins at 5A. moving on, guys. The next category now. The next category, it's called, pay attention, guys. The tightest trouser category. Tightest trouser category, and his trouser is so damn tight, it's tighter than our production target. So it's none other than Justin Bieber. It's Justin Das. Come on, guys. Justin, can we have you on the stage, please? So he gets a needle and a thread in case of emergency. Moving on, guys. The next one which we have, it's called the roundest laugh. I'll tell you why. If you see her laughing, if you see her laughing or smiling, you'll feel like a watermelon has been cut into two. Honestly, the other day I took my laughometer to her and tried checking her the frequency, the wavelength of her laugh. I got an error message saying 1 person at a time, please. So it's our very own, very bubbly and beautiful Momita Bose. This is what I have for you, Momita. Take a photo, it's okay. It's okay. Moving on, guys, a very interesting one. I'm sure all of you guys would love it. This category is called the mirror image category. Mirror image. Let me explain how. Out of all us associate and our team leaders, our FLMs, there is one associate and his team leader who typically looks the same. They look typically, they look so alike that one turns up to work, both gets marked as present. That happens. One takes bath, the other one feels fresh. So I'll give you guys the nominations to make it easier for you, and I would request the nominations to please stand up so that the rest of the crowd can see you. The first nominations look-alike category is Ramita Karki and Mozam. Okay, it's Ekta's demand that they'll have to come to the stage, please. It's okay. This is the nomination, guys. Mark it. Oh yeah, Mozam is anyways coming. Please. Ramita, no, okay. Guys, I report to her, please don't force me, okay? My year-end appraisal is still pending, come on. So, thank you. Okay, the next nomination for this category is Justin and Vana Devi. Vana Devi, can you just please stand up at that corner? It will not be enough considering your height. On the chair, please. Okay, the next category, next nomination is Sachin and Nilima. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, they are not from the same team. My bad. And the award goes to finally the last nominations. I'm again spilling the bean. It's Bridge and Manohar Jenula. Guys, can we have both of them on the stage, please? Manohar and Bridge, please walk up to the stage. They are the one who are getting the award actually. Let them come, you'll see it for yourself. Guys, see it for yourself, I don't have to say anything. And they get this giant comb, which is hardly any use to people like us. Complaining the same thing. Even I thought of this. This was thought by Uday. Go now, go. Hey, go. Thank you guys. This is the award you guys are getting. I have made enemies this evening. Okay, the next category, ladies and gentlemen, is called the Statue of Tata Tea. Our own claims version of the Statue of Liberty. I'll tell you why. The person I'm talking about, he's so damn tall. And he'll just begin and not finish. I mean, he's so tall, whenever facilities has to do something on the rooftop, on the false ceiling, they'll never get a ladder. Simply bounce on him, hop on him, on his lap and get that done. Reach that height. So this is the person, he used to be very short, like... He's a manager now. Guys, he's a manager now. So he used to be very short, like... But then he happened to meet our great Baba Nampalli. So Nampalli Baba blessed him saying that, Beta, ek din tu bahut upar jayega. Someday you'll reach a great height. That's what he was blessed with. And see it for yourself what has happened to him now. Pawan, can we please have you on the stage? So can you just pose like... The next category which we have for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, it's called the Bahadur Babe Award. It's like our very own version of Lara Croft. Like Lara Croft, we call her Tomb Raider. She's our own project driver. So, without much delay, but I'll give you a hint with her name, okay? This is how her last name goes. The manager guessed it right. It's Ramita Karki. Can we have you on the stage, please, man? So she gets a specially designed dagger. This will certainly help her during her one-on-ones. Certainly I'll have one with her. Okay. Moving on, guys. The next one is again a very interesting one, very close to my heart, guys, honestly. I'll tell you the category, you'll realize why. It's called Can't See My Own Thigh. There is a category, Can't See My Own Thigh. People who have got great physique like Amitabh Bose. It's not for him, guys. So, he has always mentioned, saying that, Ranjan, walk on yourself. At any given point in time, you should be able to stand straight, look down, you should be able to see your own thigh. See, I can't, there's something else is coming in between. my bulgy tummy. So the guy I'm talking about, he's also facing the same challenge. Let me call him on the stage and you'll realize it yourself. So that is our very own Joseph Burns Erastus, guy. And he's squeezing. So he gets a mirror so that he can place it like this and look at it. To it's your thigh, no one can stop it from looking at it. If this is his right, man, enough. Moving on, my very favorite one. The category is called Haj Ka Chhota Recharge. Louder, guys, louder! So, I'll brief you about him, okay? This is the guy who comes self, always on his own, never takes the office transport. So I happened to ask him why. So he was like, what am I doing? Couple of times he actually tried to take the office transport, First of all, the driver couldn't see him. One day, he got really irate. He walked up to the driver saying, "Hello, open the door, let me in." The driver says, "Kid, this ain't a school bus. Wait for that yellow colored bus. This is an office bus, okay? Dude, you know whom are you talking to? I'm a manager in Bank of America, okay?" Driver says, "If you're a manager in Bank of America, meet me, I'm Narendra Modi." It's a very own Prakash Mullapuri. Can we have you on the stage? So he gets a skipping rope. I don't have to say about it. This works, don't try. This works for Pawan, it will work for you.
Guys, he has been teasing all of us, pulling our legs. There's one thing that he did not realize till now, is whenever he goes for a party, the cameraman never uses the flash.
Gazana, this one is for you.
Don't take it too hard, guys. You're just kidding. We're moving on, guys. Again, a very interesting one. This category is called the Smiling Assassin Award. He is a leader of ours who will have that smile always on his face. You know, very positive guy. No matter the days are good, bad, ugly, but he'll never lose the smile. Very positive guy. However, if he happens to find you anywhere apart from the production floor, for sure you will be cross-trained. That has happened to me. I mean, there was an India's match, man. I was watching that in the breakout area and I was caught by him watching television in the breakout area. Even before I could come back to the floor, I was already put into referee cross-train team. But I'll not lie, guys. I was given choices. Facilities cross-train, transport cross-train, and referee cross-train. I chose referee, but then I can still report to Ramita. So since she has stepped into our process, there is absolutely zero male attrition. Without much delay, can we have Mr. Oliver Samson on the stage, please, for the Smiling Assassin category? For a brighter one. This is again my favorite. Now, he's a person, he's a leader. He's otherwise very witty, fun-loving and happy-go-lucky kind of guy. No matter whenever he sees me, he's so aggressive, man. Seriously. I mean, he's got that Jackie Chan ka hardware with that Arnold Schwarzenegger ka software. In our local Hyderabad language, it's got Junior NTR Rupam with Balakrishna Kopam. The category is called Chota Bheem Award and it goes to Mr. Uday Matre. This is what I was talking about, guys. Yes, because the next one is yours. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, for this evening, it's called the Lightest Lunch category. And thanks to our MIS team, Kadiration team, they have supported me, helped me with this data that this fellow I'm talking about, he has consumed around 273.75 Indian bread during the last financial year. Chapati. Mr. Amitabh Bose, can we have you on the stage, sir? So he gets a bag of food supplement. So he has alone contributed to, 8% of India's food saving, which can in return help our OPEX manager Ankit Shai. So I would request all the winners, since we do not have Dinesh. Okay, no. So I would request all the winners to please walk up to the stage so that we can take a group pic. All the winners, guys. Okay, we do not have much time. Okay, so moving on, guys. So this was all for my side. I know that I have missed a few names, so next time if I'm allowed to work here post this, for sure I'll include the rest of you. Till such time, stay blessed, stay healthy. Thank you. This was Ranjan Datta from here.
Thank you, Ranjan. I'm sure everybody enjoyed this event.